So when I turned my car over, it didn't do anything. They're smoking so much meth in the apartment beneath me. Where that door is, that's my porch. I took the decor lights off it. They're smoking so much meth in that fucking apartment that is, when I came out my door, it was blowing out my door. You know, I got a vent right there at the entrance. So even when I passed through the doorway, I smelt it. Look at this dummy trying to manipulate reality. Fat guy, frequency, sunroof, loud car. He's been calling himself Kelly Bunce to cover for her.